पहली बार ऐसा लॉन्च हुआ है दिस लिप ऑयल वियर्ड सिक पर्पल. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Vaishnavi and I really hope you guys are doing well. I know I have been inconsistent because I was out of town for some days. काफ़ी ज़्यादा sudden plan था. So yeah, but I'm back now. I will be as consistent as possible. मेरे 9 to 5 के बीच में मुझे जितना भी टाइम मिलेगा ना, I'll make sure I shoot a lot पहले से ही, ताकि end time पे मुझे problem ना हो. So yeah, in today's video, as you guys read by the title, I'm going to try a lot of new lipsticks. Some of them are recommended by you and some of are just new launches, or some lipsticks are just, you know, called my name when I was looking at them online. So I bought a lot of lipstick. काफी सारे lipsticks है यहाँ पे. So yeah, this is going to be a great video because काफी सारे new launches अभी हो रहे हैं lipstick के मामले में in affordable category. All of these lipsticks are affordable, by the way. So yeah, I hope this video will be helpful for you. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. First we are going to try the recommendations and then we will move on to the other lipstick which I have. So first recommendation is from Dazzler. It's their liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Hazelnut Cup. This is how it looks like. Color looks very promising and I'm so excited to try this out. I have never tried Dazzler lipstick. Okay, जब मैं कॉलेज में थी या फिर स्कूल में थी ना, तब Dazzler मेकअप बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस होता था. बट अभी इतने सारे ब्रांड्स आने के बाद आई डोंट थिंक Dazzler ज़्यादा शाइन कर पा रहा है. दिस रिटेल्स फॉर 199 रुपीज़ एंड आई गॉट इट फ्रॉम Amazon ऑन प्रिटी ग्रेट डील. काफ़ी अच्छा डिस्काउंट मिल गया था मुझे. सो दिस इज हाउ द एप्लीकेटर लुक्स लाइक. इट्स अ फ्लैट एप्लीकेटर विच आई एम नॉट वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ, बट smell wise it's kind of minty. Let's give this a try. Wow, the color looks so good on me and the texture is very moussey, very comfortable, very lightweight. But the shade, oh my god, the shade is looking so good on me. Oh my god, I guess I have found a everyday brown lipstick. ये बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है on camera as well, और यहाँ पर मिरर में भी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है. 1 second. Better. Now you can see the color better. This is how the shade is looking on me. In love with the shade and the texture is so comfortable on the lips. I have pigmented lips, so वो भी अच्छे से cover कर लिया है इसने. It's not peeping through the lipstick, which is a great deal. I do not like my pigmented lips peeping through that, so great. I think it's transfer proof as well. Dry down होने के बाद पूरी transfer proof भी हो जाएगी. I am pretty sure. Looking so good. Loved this recommendation from you. Okay, next up we are going to try Swiss Beauty Stay On Lip Crayon in the shade Murphy Wine. This is how it looks like. I have used a lot of Swiss Beauty lipstick and they never disappoint, and this is a particular shade which is so, I'm sorry, cat hair. And this shade particularly is loved by so many people. So I'm excited to try this out. It's a usual crayon packaging. Nothing great that needs to be mentioned. But yeah, this is how it looks like. And I guess this is a retractable pencil, if I'm not wrong. No, this is not a retractable pencil. So I'm going to waste a lot of product sharpening this. So let's give this a try. Wow. Oh my god, this is a blue toned heavy bright red. Personally, I do not like this type of reds on me, but with this black combination, this is looking so good. However, I'm not a big fan of this type of red because the name says Murphy Wine and I was expecting a little more wine to it, but this is a bright red, not my cup of tea. If you love this type of red, please go ahead and buy this. Value for money. This is already transfer proof. ये पुरानी लिपस्टिक का है. This is already transfer proof crayon होने के बावजूद. If you like this type of shades, please go ahead and buy this. Not my cup of tea, but a great lipstick. I have another recommendation. This is from Blue Heaven. It's their lip oil. I'm not sure which shade is this. This is in the shade Sugar Plum. This is how the packaging looks like. So cute. I'm in love with the packaging. Blue Heaven in general is killing with their packaging, by the way. So yeah, let's give this a try. This is also very affordable. I got for only 113 rupees or something like that, under rupees 150. So yeah, let's give this a try. The color is looking, oh my god, such a vampy color, but I'm not sure because it's a lip oil. Maybe it will have some sheerish kind of tint to it. Let's give this a try. This is like a lipstick, a glossy lipstick. Lip oil? Lip oil? Oh my god. This has a lot of pigment and less oil type of properties. Usually I love lip oils, I love tinted lip oils, I love tinted lip balms, but I'm not liking this color on me, and I'm not liking the texture either. Extremely sticky and weird color. It's not feeling like an oil. That's the main issue with this product. So not sure. It's almost dried down and feels like semi shiny, semi sheer, semi matte lipstick. Not liking the texture, not living for it. Don't get this. I don't like this because it's supposed to be an oil and the color is very off. I'm not liking the oil feeling. Smells good though. Smells good. But no. I'm not liking this. Not liking this at all. Also not leaving any tint behind. Now my lips looks weird. Weird sick purple. Start looking weird sick purple. Don't judge me by my lips, how my lips are looking. It's not my fault. It's that tinted lip oil's fault. So yeah, not a big fan of that. Don't buy it. Yeah, everything I have reviewed about it already. So let's move on to some good lipsticks. Next up, I'm going to try this Insight lipstick. This is Insight Cosmetic Lip Cream. I bought this mainly because of the packaging. Absolutely in love with the packaging. See, this is how the packaging looks like. So cute. I have been seeing so many lipsticks internationally in this packaging, but India में शायद ये पहली बार ऐसा launch हुआ है. This, okay guys, I'm back. So sorry for that. So yeah, this is the cutest packaging I have ever seen. This is also really affordable as well. This retails for 199 rupees, but of course मैंने सेल में खरीदा है. So this is also under rupees 180 something. So I got this in the shade Hira 09. So let's give this a try. This is how the applicator looks like. Again a red. This is how this lipstick is looking like, but online shade इसका बहुत ज़्यादा अलग था. It was kind of brownish shade, but this is clearly reddish pinkish shade. Color is good, the texture is really nice. This is very affordable. Really good packaging, really cute packaging. Very different from the reference which is given online. It's a great lipstick though, not at all sticky. Very comfortable on the lips. Very lightweight, but shade, you need to see a lot of reviews before buying this. So yeah, this is the Insight lip cream in the shade Hera. Next up, I'm going to try this Mars lipstick. This is in the shade Feisty Plum. Sadly ये थोड़ा सा damage आया है. So Mars anyways kills with the lipstick. I know that this is going to be a great textured lipstick, great quality lipstick, but we are going to try this shade out. So this is how the shade looks like. um not sure how this is going to look on me. Let's give this a try. Oh wow, this is the softest, smoothest lipstick I have ever used. The texture is really, really, really smooth. I love the application process. Blurs out my lip lines and looks so good. Feisty Plum, this is a plum shade looking so good on me. If you have dusky skin and you're looking for a plum lipstick, an affordable plum lipstick, go for this one. Very, very affordable. Mars in general is a very affordable brand. In love with this lipstick. In love with this lipstick. Looks so good. The person who have recommended this to me, thank you so much. Next up, we are going to try another product from Mars. It's their non-transfer lipstick. This is in the shade 18. I think this is the darkest shade which I have in this lipstick haul. So let's give this a try. Oh my god. This is how the lip shade is looking on me. I knew for a fact Mars is not going to disappoint me. So absolutely in love with the shade. It's more brown in person. Camera पे थोड़ा pinkish लग रहा है, but this is more brown in person and looking so good on my skin tone. Love this lipstick as well. Mars is never going to disappoint. I know if you have my skin tone, if you have little darker skin tone as well, this will look so good on you. Mars, एक ही दिल है यार, कितनी बार जीतोगे. In love with this shade. This is also under rupees 200, so it's a win situation for us dusty beauties. Okay, next up I have lipstick from Plum. This is in the shade Date Night. This is how the packaging looks like. Standard Plum lipstick packaging, but I'm really, really excited about this shade. I've seen so many Instagram reels about this shade, so I was like, I need to give this a try. And I have never actually tried anything from Plum in makeup category, उनका काजल छोड़ के, but let's give this a try. Wow. I'm so happy with these lip shades. Very comfortable on the lips. और जो कुछ भी लिपस्टिक आज मैंने ट्राई किया ना, every single shade is different from each other, which is a yay for me. In love with this shade. You can see here complementing my dusky skin so beautifully. Oh my god, I love this. Comfortable on the lips, very, very lightweight, feels like nothing on the lips. What do you guys think? Do let me know in the comment section down below. What do you think about this shade? This is little expensive, 300-400 के range में आ रहा है, but everything is under 500 rupees. So I'm so happy that I found this shade. Okay, moving on, I have one lip gloss which is the most awaited launch. This is from Mars. It's their Candelicious lip glosses. I got this in the shade Cherry Cola. Of course, I'm in love with Cherry Cola lip trend. If you guys have seen my shorts, मैंने उसको recreate किया था. So yeah, I had to buy this shade. This is how the packaging looks like. Very luxurious, feels very, very sturdy, but this is plastic, not glass. This looks like DM Beauty lip oil, but वो glass packaging में है. This is how the shade looks like. Let's give this a try because I'm so excited. I was keeping myself away from this lip gloss because I wanted to try this on camera. So let's give this a try. Oh my god, look at the wand. This has that thick juicy wand. Smells like kind of cherry cola. Let's give this a try. Oh my god, can you see the shine, the glossiness, the glassness? This lip gloss is giving my lips looks like glass, and this has a little bit of tingling sensation and थोड़ा सा वो कोला वाला फ्लेवर है इसमें, not gonna lie, but looking so good on me. Worth every single penny. I love this. Very, very smooth, not at all sticky. उस Blue Heaven lip oil से तो मेरा मूड खराब हो गया था, but this is so hydrating on the lips, so glossy, so juicy. In love with this lip gloss. I'm not gonna lie, if you are looking for a good lip gloss, give this a try. Run and get this. Run and get this. This is so stunning and so affordable. I don't know how Mars is doing these kind of launches while they still stay in a budget. Like, they are very very affordable. I don't understand how these guys are doing this, and the quality of these products is also top notch. They are not compromising on the quality of the product. So this is how the cherry cola shade is looking on me. In love with this. If you're looking for a gloss, get this one. They also have a clear version, I guess. So I am in love with this shade. I'm going to use this as an everyday gloss. Like, I'm not going to top my lipstick up with this. I'm going to use this as it is. Looks so stunning. Oh my god, I feel like I have been living under a rock. मुझे पहले ही ट्राई कर लेना चाहिए था जब ये लॉन्च हो गया था. So yeah, in love with this. And yes, that's it for today's video, guys. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Follow me on my Instagram. Everything will be linked down below, so don't forget to check it out. Do let me know which was your favorite lipstick in the comment section down below. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.